Hello viewers, this video is about the simulation of single-phase full converter FET DC separately excited motor. Open MATLAB and open Simulink. Create a blank model. To draw the circuit, we need a single-phase full converter which consists of 4 thyristors. So type thyristor. Let us rotate this using Ctrl R. And let us name the thyristors as T1, T2, T3, T4. We will connect the thyristors like a bridge. And the input of the full converter is a single phase AC voltage source. So type AC voltage source. Let the peak amplitude be 100 volt. The default value is 100. Let us change the value to 200 and let the frequency be 50 Hertz. Let us connect the AC voltage source to the converter. Let us connect a pulse generator with the amplitude 5 and period 0.02 seconds. And let us take the phase delay to be 60 degree. So in terms of time, it will be 60 divided by 360 into 0.02. The thyristors T1 and T2 should be given the same firing angle. So we'll connect the pulse generator to pulse generator 1 to T1 and T2. And for the other two thyristors, we will connect another pulse generator. The phase delay should be 5 plus 30 degree. So let us add the time corresponding to pi, which is 0.01, to the phase delay of the pulse generator 1. Now let us connect the DC motor So type DC machine and then Control R to rotate the machine. Let us connect the A plus terminal to the positive side of the converter and A minus terminal to the negative side of the converter. And the field winding, it should be given a constant DC source. It should be connected to a constant DC source. So type DC voltage source. Let us change the inductance of armature circuit to 0.2. And let the dark input to be 12 Newton meter. So in order to give the dark input, we have to choose a constant block. Let us choose the constant value to be 12 and connect the 12 to the dark. And in order to obtain the motor parameters, that is speed, torque, armature current, etc., we need to connect the bus selector. And let us connect the input of the bus selector to the M terminal of the DC machine. And let us add all the 4 signals to the bus selector. And in order to see all the signals, we need a scope. Let us change the input terminals, number of input terminals of the scope to 4. And let us view the waveforms in 4 different windows. So choose the layout and this patient so that we can see all the 4 parameters, that is all the 4 outputs of the DC machine in the 4 windows. So the first input of the scope is the speed of the motor, which is in radian per second. The second one will be the armature current, then the third one will be the field current, and the fourth one will be the electromagnetic torque. And in order to run the model, we need a Power GUI. Now we'll run this model for 1 second. So these are the waveforms obtained. We can even run the model for 5 seconds. So we have obtained the speed in radian per second as around the steady state value, which came out to be around 70 radian per second. And we obtained the electromagnetic torque to be around 11 Newton meter, which varies between 10 and 12 Newton meter. We have some ripples in it, and the current, armature current, it is having its value around 20 ampere. So we have seen the simulation of a single phase full converter fed DC separately excited motor. Thank you.